Welcome to a story where history quite literally emerges from beneath the surface. In the heart of France, during a simple home renovation, a basement revealed an ancient cemetery spanning over 700 years. This incredible discovery came unexpectedly, as workers broke ground for renovations, only to find themselves unearthing graves from different centuries. The oldest of these graves date back to the 2nd century CE from the Roman era. Imagine the surprise. A homeowner just wanted to improve their basement, but instead they uncovered a Roman burial ground, one that remained in use through the medieval period. Cemetery holds fascinating layers of history, including relics from both ancient Roman and medieval cultures. But why would such a cemetery exist beneath a modern home? It turns out this area was once a bustling center of Roman activity, where Roman customs and burial practices held strong for centuries before blending into the medieval traditions that followed. Each layer tells its own story, how burial customs evolved over time, and how different communities inhabited this space for hundreds of years. The bodies found here offer invaluable clues about health, diet, and cultural practices at the time. More than just a random discovery, this ancient cemetery offers a gateway into the lives of those who lived, worked, and died in this region throughout the ages. Experts are already examining the remains to understand more about these ancient people, using DNA analysis and other advanced techniques to trace their origins, health, and even the diseases they battled. What's remarkable is the continuity. Despite spanning over 700 years, this site shows us how life and death were linked through different epochs, from the height of the Roman Empire to the Middle Ages. So as this excavation continues, who knows what other stories this ancient site will reveal? Each discovery is a reminder of the rich tapestry of history hidden just below our feet, waiting to be rediscovered. Want more hidden history and incredible discoveries? Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an episode.